This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. That we lost our feet. Okay. I'm not sure where we lost it, but okay. Oh, there we go. All right, let's try that again. Ready? This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. Tis just a little ditty for to liven up your day. So if you're looking for inspiration or for intellectual wit, we're sorry to disappoint you. This ain't it. So that's easy, right? I can make it a bit faster? Too fast. Okay, we just need more practice. Remember the thing about learning. If it's easy, you're not learning anything, right? And the same thing with practice. If it's easy, it doesn't help. So, one more time. We'll try to make it a bit faster. Everybody. Everybody. This is just a little piece. This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. Of insignificant foolishness. Tis just a little ditty. For to liven up your day. Okay? Now, it's important with English words that if there's a syllable, we have to hear it. That's where songs can be really helpful. Because if we say live up, then we miss a beat in the song. We need the syllable, liven up. Okay, so, tis just a little ditty.
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 For to liven up your day.
For to liven up your day.
Liven up. 要听到那个 en 的音。Liven up.
Liven up
your day.
your day.
So if you're looking for inspiration,
So if you're looking for
inspiration, or for intellectual wit, intellectual wit, we're sorry to disappoint you. Disappoint you. Don't forget, there's a syllable there. A lot of pronunciation problems come from dropping out sounds. And it's very important in English. You can't do that. That's why, for example, with S at the end, we need to hear the S. And if it's a Z at the end, we don't want to have one here, then we have to hear tis. This Z, if you say tis, it's not right. We have to hear tis, okay? So, inspiration, again. Intellectual. Disappoint. Right, disappoint. 要听到那个 okay? So one more time. We're sorry to disappoint you.
We're sorry to disappoint you.
That's better. This ain't it.
This ain't it.
Okay? Try again. This is just a little piece of insignificant. Where do we? Oh, okay.
Oh, that's my inspiration. Our intellectual wit. We're sorry to disappoint.
I was trying to find the volume before. There you go. That's better. This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. It's just a little ditty for to liven up your day. So if you're looking for inspiration or for intellectual wit, we're sorry to disappoint you. This ain't it. That was better. Okay. You want to try one time on your own? Let's try. I'll play the song, you sing, and I'll just listen. Ready? Okay, go. Go. All right.
This is just a little piece of insignificant foolishness. This is just a little ditty for to liven up your day. So look for inspiration or intellectual wit. We're sorry to disappoint you. This ain't it.
Alright, now here's the thing. I can see from your lips where you're having trouble. That's why it's very helpful to use a mirror when you practice, okay? If the words are too fast, write them down, take them home, and practice, right? The thing is, again, if the song is slow enough that it's easy, it doesn't help you. It's no good. So, one more time. Insignificant. Insignificant. Okay? You need to treat this like 5 words in Chinese. If you take out one of the words, then you're changing the meaning, right? If you lose a whole syllable, then you change the word. People won't understand you. So again, insignificant.
Insignificant.
You can count them off on your fingers. Insignificant.
Insignificant.
Okay? Foolishness.
Foolish.
Now it's no problem, right? This is just a little piece.
This is just a little piece.
A bit faster. This is just a little piece.
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 Alright? And what you find is your tongue has to work harder. This is just, you have to move your tongue around. Your tongue is lazy. It's like all of your muscles. It doesn't want to work. So in Chinese, you tend to talk like this so that your tongue doesn't have to move very much. Right? But if you want people to understand you, then your tongue has to move around more. So, this is just a little piece.
This is just a little piece
That's better. Of insignificant foolishness.
of insignificant foolishness.
That's pretty good. 'Tis just a little ditty
This is just a little ditty
for to liven up your day.
for to lighten up your day.
Okay. Watch for this N here. Now, what often happens when we sing, and then also when we speak, we don't actually say for to liven up. We don't separate them like that. This goes together. For to
For to
liven up.
liven up.
The N and the U get pushed together. Liven up.
Liven up.
Okay? And even the P and the Y, pure day.
Pure day.
Okay? The problem is any language has trouble with consonants at the end of the syllable. Chinese doesn't have consonants there, except for N and O. 中文没有字音是那个音节后面的，对不对？可是英文有，可是 it's still hard to say them. So when we can, we put the consonant here with the next syllable. That's why it's inspiration. That's why we break syllables up that way. It's easier. So, anytime when you have a chance to move a consonant to the next word, it makes it easier to say. For to liven up your day.
For to liven up your day.
Yeah. Don't say liven up, because then you'll leave out your N. You'll say liven up. Liven up.
Liven up.
Yeah, this becomes nup. Alright? So if you're looking for inspiration,
So if you're looking for inspiration,
alright, now remember the important syllable. The important syllable has meaning, and we need to hear it. When there's a weak syllable, 有轻的音节，它的音变成like disappoint. We can't say dispoint, 不可以这样子. But this becomes very, very short. It becomes It's not important. Disappoint.
Disappoint.
We don't need to say disappoint. You have to open your mouth to be. So disappoint.
Disappoint.
That's how we speak. But point, this is oi 是中的音节，所以要听到它的音。You can't make it short. So same thing here. Inspiration, 它是 a, 它是中的音节，它有它的音， it has the whole sound. All right. So if you're looking for inspiration.
So if you're looking for inspiration.
Good. You notice that this one also becomes an and inspiration, this becomes an all right? Just like insignificant. 它变成它变成它是in 它是第一个音节要听到那个 insignificant. Okay. 所以轻的音节它的母音